third day in Bunaken, we joined a boat tour out from the island. The weather wasn't great, but we came across a large pod of dolphins swimming together. Spinner dolphins are known for their acrobatic spins, sometimes leaping high out of the water. By the time we got to Siladen Island, it was already raining. Let's see what it looks like underwater in the lane. So let's go. Dive with me. Siladen Island is also part of Bunaken National Park, surrounded by vibrant coral reefs and plenty of marine life. Just like Bunaken Island, its reefs are covered with both soft and hard corals, stretching from the shallow waters all the way down along the drop-off wall. And there are so many different kinds of sea anemones and anemone fish in Siladen. Clark's anemone fish and spine-cheek anemone fish just hanging out among them. And here's one curled up like a vase. A tiny pink anemone fish is peeking out from inside. It's so cute. As the rain got heavier, the underwater world felt even more magical. Of course, I love sunny days in the crystal clear water too, but after getting a bit too much sun on my first couple of days, this felt like perfect timing for a rainy dive. And honestly, I love swimming in the rain. The heavier it gets, the more excited I feel. Rain seems to bring a different kind of energy to the ocean, and the fish get more active, moving more freely through the reef. And watching the raindrops on the surface from below, it's just beautiful. In the afternoon, we decided to try a beach entry dive at Lekuan on Bunaken Island. Out on the seagrass, I came across a blue-spotted stingray. Lekuan has these wide, shallow seagrass beds, and it's actually a pretty long swim to reach the drop-off wall. But even before you get there, there's already so much life in the shallow reef and seagrass. Sometimes even sea turtles come here to feed, and you might cross paths with them. Both dives are great, but I definitely recommend trying a beach entry at least once. Just swimming out at your own pace and enjoying those quiet encounters along the way. It's a slower kind of dive, but sometimes those are the ones you remember the most. Before the sun goes down, I have to make my way back along the long stretch to the beach. On the way, I came across a dog-faced puffer, though honestly, it kind of looked more like a seal to me. And then, a sea turtle quietly passed right by me. Moments like this make me so happy. Thank you for joining me underwater. See you in the next dive.